Magic Wash is an incredible cleaning product that's made safely to get those tough jobs done. It can be used to melt bugs, degrease engine parts, and wash away dust and road grime. It has a neutral pH and can be safely used on any surface. To use Magic Wash, simply spray the area you wish to clean. This product is formulated to release from the sprayer as a foaming liquid that will really cling onto a surface. Other products on the markets are sprayed only to drip right off. Magic Wash holds on to continuously soak into the problem area. Once sprayed on, it can be immediately wiped away with a soft towel or washed away with water. If using on bugs or tougher soils, spray Magic Wash on and let it sit for approximately 1 minute. Come back with a soft cloth and scrub the area. Then wipe clean with a towel and wash away with water to reveal the clean surface. The Magic Wash gallon comes with an extendable trigger sprayer that will continually spray even when held upside down. Magic Wash also works amazingly well when used as a pre-spray for bugs and road grime before using the Mototech Wash and Wax wash product.